Hello friend, I'm Samadi back to the new tutorial video regarding soil mechanics. In this video, I discuss advantage of triaxial test or triaxial compression test. In this video, I am talk about few points. It may be 4 points or 5 points. But what is your benefit? So in point of benefit view, whatever point I will discuss in this video, it may be 4 or 5. Generally, MCQ based question comes from this section. In last video, whatever I told about triaxial test, if you want to clear all those MCQ, then this video only for you. If you know, then you can skip it. Otherwise, watch the video till the end, brush up your concept, enrich your knowledge. If you new in my channel, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for never miss an update, because I am coming with these types of conceptual video almost every day. Without further delay, let's jump to the topic, advantage. You know, when I started this video, shear test of soil, I talk about there is some types of shear test that depend on drainage condition. So in this drainage condition, there is a 3 types of drainage condition. One is undrained, one is drained, and another is consolidated drain test. In direct shear test, you cannot apply these all 3 conditions, but in triaxial test, you can apply all 3 conditions properly, as well as you can control properly. So MCQ number 1, tell me a test where you can conduct shear test in any kind of drainage condition. Answer, triaxial test. Tell me the one test where you cannot control properly the drainage condition test. Direct shear test. Point number 2. We discussed in last video, that is the sample, and in this sample, in this direction, a vertical force applied, and in this direction, or in this direction, pour water pressure applied. In reality, there will a jar. In this jar, the material is placed, and from top and from bottom, this vertical force is applied, and in this jar filled with water. As jar is filled with water, there is some connection from where you properly control pour water pressure, and it is observed that this pour water pressure, control of pour water pressure, very much accurate, because यहाँ पे there is some hydraulic arrangement where you can control this pour water pressure when you go to the lab and conduct this test. Okay, now I talk about point number. Suppose this is our soil element. In this direction, sigma 3, in this direction, sigma 1 acting. Suppose in this plane the soil is fail. That means this plane is known as your failure plane, right or wrong, failure plane. So in failure plane you find shear stress. That shear stress you find from triaxial compression test, that is uniform. Whereas in my last video when I talk about direct shear stress, in reality these shear stress not uniform. You remember that I told about there is some variation in age and center, but reality this should be uniform. Number 4, again I draw the element. This is your sigma 1, this is your sigma 3, sigma 3, sigma 1. And suppose this is your failure plane, particular, say 39 degree. So in failure plane, we definitely find what? Tau, that means shear stress. But suppose someone want to ask you, what is the tau value at theta equal to 30 degree, or theta equal to 21 degree, or theta equal to 25 degree. Then by help of this test, by help of triaxial shear test, you can find any kind of tau, any kind of shear stress at any stage. That is the biggest advantage of triaxial shear test. But that thing is missing from direct shear stress, because in direct shear stress failure plane is predetermined. Okay? So yes, this is the 4 point I talk about advantage of triaxial shear test. Along with that, I talk about why direct shear stress have lots of disadvantage. So from depend on these 4 points, you can write also difference between triaxial shear test as well as direct shear test. And few MCQ come from these 4 points. Mark my word. It may come in GATE, it may come in engineering service, it may come in PSC, state PSC. So I hope there is no doubt in this 4 point. If regarding these 4 points any kind of doubt, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you have learned something new, like the video, share the video, because your like inspire me, motivate me, makes that kind conceptual video for you. Still, if you are watching my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update, because I'm coming with these types of video almost every day. Thank you for watching this video. More knowledge, more opportunity.